Sinimulan niya ng NU Bulldogs nang makuha ang twice-to-beat advantage versus the De La Salle Green Spikers last Saturday sa Araneta Coliseum. It was a five-setter match, 19-25, 25-21, 25-13, 21-25 at 16-14. Ito rin ang career high game ng player of the game na si Micaelo Bodin with 32 points off 29 attacks, 3 blocks, 6 excellent digs, and 10 excellent receptions. To complete the doubleheader, one step closer to the finals ang Moraita squad sa women's division. Ito ay matapos talunin ng Lady Tamaraos ang top seed NU Lady Bulldogs over a three-setter match, 25-23, 25-17, 25-23. Teen Ubaldot took the lead with 16 excellent sets, 6 points, 4 attacks, 1 block, and 1 ace. At muli silang magtatapat sa Miyerkules para selyuhan kung sino sa kanila ang tutungtong sa UAAP Season 86 Finals. At kahapon, the stars aligned for the University of Santo Tomas. Wagi ang parehong koponan sa men's and women's division. Sa unang laban, nagawang pataubin ng UST Golden Spikers ang top seed and twice to beat FEU in straight sets, 25-23, 25-19, 28-26. Lefty Sherwin Umandal led the Tigers with 14 points. Muli silang maghaharap sa do-or-die match. Habang ang UST Golden Tigresses nakabalik na ulit sa finals matapos ang 5 taon. With a twice-to-beat advantage going to the semifinals, di na nila binigyan ng pagkakataon na makabawi ang defending champions na De La Salle University. They ended the game in a classic 5-setter match, 25-20, 16-25, 25-20, 19-25 at 15-7. History repeated ang eksena ng UST dahil sa parehong araw noong 2019 ay nakapasok din sila sa finals matapos talunin ng DLSU. Angeline Poyos delivered for UST with 28 points off 25 attacks, 1 block, and 2 aces. Naghihintay na sila ngayon kung sino ang makakalaban for gold medal.
Sino nga kaya ang mag-uuwi ng corona? Alamin natin yan sa finals. Mobile Journal Denise Ulisancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.